More news coming in at this point in time. Karnataka Game of Thrones hits top gears. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has spoken to the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge amid speculation. Siddaramaiah has reportedly told Kharge, stop MLAs from speculating, must stop MLAs from talking on internal issue, must draw an end to this chaos. High Command must act now is what the Chief Minister of Karnataka has told the party boss, Mallikarjun Kharge.
I will not do that. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಲಡ್. ಆಲ್ 140 MLAs are my MLAs. Honorable Chief Minister decided he will reshuffle the government. He will reshuffle the government and cabinet. So all of them are interested that they wanted to become ministers. It is quite natural they will go and meet the leaders of the Delhi. It is quite natural they will go out of the Delhi. Apart from that, what I can say, they have every right. I have not taken anyone. Some of them went and met Kharge Sahab. Along with Chief Minister also they went in the plane, some of them. What is wrong? They are going, it is their life, whether no one has called them, but voluntarily they are going and showing their faces. They wanted to show their presence that they are in the forefront and they can do work and they want responsibility.
ರಾಯಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹೋಗಿದಾರ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಚಿವರನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಯಾವುದು ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯ? ಹೌದು, ನಾನೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೀನಿ, ಬಜೆಟ್ನು ನಾನೇ ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath getting in more details in that story. Naga, the Chief Minister's appeal to the Congress President here is that that there should be an end to this chaos, because obviously it doesn't augur really well for the party. There's been so much speculation, and the opposition in the state of Karnataka, the BJP, is saying that the party that is leading the government, which is the Congress, is obviously only interested in its own political survival rather than governance, isn't it? So it's a double whammy in that sense.
Well, that's true. Sources have confirmed to India Today that the Chief Minister did speak to Mallikarjun Kharge over the phone and asked Mallikarjun Kharge to draw a certain strict line for MLAs not to speak in public on internal matters. They have their own right to go speak to the party forum, but speaking to media and speaking in the public is causing embarrassment to the party and more confusion among the cadre and the voters, and hence Siddaramaiah asked Mallikarjun Kharge to put in a strong, strict condition to ensure that no MLA or party persons will speak in public on internal matters. Tomorrow he's meeting Mallikarjun Kharge in person, and seems like the same request will be put in person when he meets tomorrow as well.